Nowadays, there are many top boxers from Cambodia, so today I would like to select one of top fighter in Cambodia, that very famous at one championship. Kun Khmer Flyweight World Champion Sakti is from the Banteay Meanchey province in Cambodia, an area which shares a border with Thailand and is known for producing top Kun Khmer talent. His parents worked as farmers and laborers, and being a huge fan of Kun Khmer, his father sent Sakti and his older brother to a live-in training camp when he was just 7 years old. A phenomenally hard worker, Sakti already has hundreds of bouts under his belt, despite being just 20 years of age. Besides capturing both national and world titles in Kun Khmer, he even competed for a Muay Thai world title in Thailand's famed Lumpini Stadium in 2017 as the first Cambodian to ever do so. Today, Sakti trains at Cambodian top team under head coach Chan Reach and legendary Kun Khmer competitor San Saoin. Along with his teammates and training partners, he was thrilled to learn that one would be holding kickboxing and Muay Thai matches in one super series, as it gives him a chance to showcase his beloved art of Kun Khmer on the global stage. Chan Rothana. One Cambodia Featherweight Grand Prix finalist Chan Rothana was born in a refugee camp in Thailand, known simply as Site 2, during the height of the Cambodian Civil War. He began training in martial arts very early in life, as his father is a master of the Khmer martial art Udakan Kam, an ancient art incorporating striking, wrestling, and weapon techniques. Rothana then started competing in Kun Khmer when he was 17 years old, and he has since competed more than 90 times without once losing by stoppage. He also holds a black belt in Taekwondo, and in 2014, he read about one championship and decided he wanted to pick up mixed martial arts to compete on the global stage. After a successful professional mixed martial arts debut, the Cambodian achieved his goal, earning a place on the one championship roster. He has since competed several times for the promotion and has entertained crowds across Asia with his powerful and dynamic style of striking. Lao Chetra. Bayon Stadium champion Lao Chetra comes from a famous family in the Cambodian striking art of Kun Khmer. His eldest brother Lao Sinat is an all-time legend in Cambodian combat sports, while his middle brother Lao Chetra is currently considered to be the very best in his weight class. With a pedigree like that, it was only natural that he would also make his way into Kun Khmer as well. Lao Chetra began his training at the young age of 8, and before long he was racking up large amounts of experience, competing in nearly 150 bouts before he even became 20 years old. He has won virtually every significant title in his home country, including the prestigious Bayon Stadium belt in 2 different weight classes, and medaled in Muay Thai at the 2017 Southeast Asian Games as well. Lao Chetra trains at Cambodian top team under renowned coach Chan Reach, along with his 2 brothers. He currently balances his time between his martial arts career and military service as a member of an elite Cambodian Special Forces commando unit. Lao Chetra is proud to represent his country and his martial art on the global stage of one championship and is determined to capture the biggest world title of his career.